I'm starting off the contour by doing my jawline to make it as symmetric and oval as possible. The primary purpose of contour is to create the illusion of bone structure and to tone down certain features of your face. Next, I'm adding contour to my right brow to lift it because my left brow arch is a little bit higher and more angular. For contour to truly serve its purpose, it needs to be placed correctly. The most popular contour we know is probably the cheek. You should be placing your contour where your cheekbone actually is or where you want it to be. Ideally, cheek contour should give you the illusion of higher cheekbones, so it doesn't make sense to drag it all the way down toward the outer corners of your lips and follow the hollows like a lot of artists do nowadays. After you blend, it should be almost undetectable. The second most popular contour is probably the nose. The purpose of the contour here is to give you the appearance of a thinner, straighter, taller nose. To be realistic, contour should appear like a shadow, so avoid tones that have shimmer and orange in it. And as always, blend. You want to avoid making the nose too narrow because that has an artificial look, unless you want to look like Michael Jackson. I also like to pay special attention in blending the nose contour to my eyebrow and orbital bone area. Nose contour can actually improve the appearance of your nose at different angles, not just straight on. Before I highlight the bridge of my nose, I'm going to add highlight to the sides of my nose because I tend to have a dark shadow there. You can also use highlights to camouflage divots, pinched nose bridges, and crooked noses. Now I'm adding highlight to the bridge of my nose and blending it together with the contour so it can be more realistic. It's a little bit stripy now, but I end up blending it together later when I add my foundation. You can also add highlight to the corners of your lips to conceal and lift. Creams actually look even more realistic because they can blend into your skin better than powders. Even without makeup, the appearance of my face has already improved. I'm moving on to foundation now. Typically, I start with foundation first. Make sure it all ties in together. Here, I'm using the brow pencil mainly to improve the symmetry of my face and to add some fullness to my brows. So far, I'm trying to keep this look as realistic as possible. I know they didn't come out perfect, but I want the average person to not know that I actually put anything there. Some key parts of the brows that you want to pay attention to is the front, the arch, and the tail ends. An improved brow can actually lift the overall appearance of your face and open up your eyes. On a daily basis, I'll probably pay more attention to my brows and just skip the eyeshadow. I hope you can see here that you don't need to spend a lot of time or product to improve the overall appearance of your face. Doesn't it look like I got plastic surgery here? Nope, just good contour. Stick around for my next video. Thanks for watching.